Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended today, October 17th. So let's get started. This is the first one, gold from 200 box size on the 13th when we started. Um, I have a very bad cold, so excuse me for my messed up voice. So hopefully I'll get better over the weekend. All right, so this is the first one. The second trade, you can see on the 15, 14 was completely blank. Very bad week ranging, just like my cold. Very bad, right? So here, USD yen on the 15th, nice drop to the downside. And I was expecting that, and it came down here like that. So I'll show you my 40-minute setup charts later. And then this pound USD going to the upside, 80 pip here on the 15th, gold again going to the upside. And this is pound Aussie, beautiful long setup here from the 7-minute chart, buy orders right there, 90 pip to the upside on the 15th. On the 15th, Euro Aussie, you can see here, same like pound Aussie for 60 pip. It was here, but it came down here. I couldn't close it on time. Gold going from the 500 box size. See this nice entry here. This little arrow shows that the EA took the trade on the 16th. And this is on the 16 Euro Aussie going to the upside for 140 pip buy orders right there. And this is pound Aussie. Euro Aussie and pound Aussie usually move together. Usually when the Aussie is affecting those two pairs, right? So Aussie is on the both pair, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie on the right hand side. So if Aussie gets weaker, both pair goes up, and if Aussie start to get stronger, then they both go down, right? So buy order is right there, entry is here, 115 pip. See these yellow mark, these are daily ranges. This indicator I have here, actually, it mark it automatically, and then it tells you that the daily ranges is still active, means it's still there are pips remaining, and you can hold on to your trade. Once the daily range is completed, I usually close the trade because after that, usually the pairs start retracing. So this is how it works. USD CAD and then USD Euro Aussie. This thing I couldn't close on time, so it's still open. It went down. Seller is right there, 75 pips. So not too many trades. Why? Because mainly because it's like very bad cold that I have. I can't do it. Hopefully next week. Secondly, November we already crossed October 15. So now we're going into November. Not now, but yeah, at the end of October, it will start to slow down. In November and December are very, very bad, right? So November, we go all the way, like downhill, and then December is completely kaput, right? So be very careful. October, maybe 2 more weeks, a little bit of nice volatility we will see. And after that, it's going to start slowing down. It already did. And it's a lot of things happening. So gold is all the way to the top of very, very high. I'll make the gold video. I was supposed to make it yesterday and day before yesterday, but I just couldn't. Right. So this is it for now. And if you want to get the system, let me show you the all the yen pairs that what happened to them. See this euro yen trade, the 40-minute setup chart I made on the 8th, and right now it is like this. Right, so it came down all the way exactly where I said. So that's how I end up getting the entries here from my 7-minute chart. The second one was like pound Aussie, pound yen, right from here. That I'm gonna it's gonna go down, so I'll start taking the trades. And pound yen happened to be like this as of now, right from 8 to 16. The whole week it just went down, 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 down. So once you find a nice setup in index, this is how it happens. So that's why I watch index charts, right? Individual index, all the indexes I watch, the US dollar, yen, all the pound, euro. So on the 8th, I made this USD yen that is going to drop from there. And look what happened. It came down all the way, right? And I just showed you my trades. So it's no, big thing. It's not a rocket science. It's just like know how to do it. If you want to learn, you can go on my website and then sign up for one-on-one. I'll teach you exactly what to do and how to use the Fibonacci, harmonic patterns, algorithm, and all of that over the Zoom 10-hour course. Very powerful course. After that, you will become master of trading business and you will be doing on your own. You wouldn't need me or anybody else to tell you what to do. So you will be taking control of your trading business. All right. So this is it for now. And talk to you guys later, maybe in the gold video, right? Okay. Bye. Ay, ay, ay. What do I do? What do I do? Stop recording.